In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate on designs in Figma. We'll cover how to invite teammates, choose the right level of access, and work together smoothly in Figma, using both real-time and asynchronous tools. Start by opening your design. Collaboration in Figma happens at the team, project, or file level. So think about how broadly you want to share before you send an invite. If you just need feedback on a single file, keep it at the file level. For ongoing work across multiple documents, consider the project or team level so people see everything they need in one place. To invite collaborators directly, click the Share button in the top right corner of your file. Enter the person's email address and set their permission, can edit if they'll help build or refine the design, or can view if they only need to review. Choosing the right permission upfront keeps your file organized and prevents accidental changes. If you prefer to share a link, still in the Share modal, copy a link you can paste into Slack, email, or any messaging tool. Configure the link so that anyone with the link can view or edit, or restrict access to only invited people for tighter control. This is especially helpful when sharing with stakeholders who don't need ongoing access to your workspace. When you want feedback on user flows without exposing the full design, use prototype-only sharing. From Presentation View, choose Share Prototype to generate a link focused on the interactive experience. Reviewers can click through the journey and comment on the flow without seeing your entire canvas or layers. If your team is on the professional plan, Figma's real-time multiplayer features make collaboration feel instant. Click a collaborator's avatar in the top right toolbar to enter observation mode and follow exactly what they're viewing. It's great for quick walkthroughs without screen sharing. To speak up without breaking your flow, press the / key to open cursor chat and type a short note that appears next to your cursor. For deeper discussions, start an audio chat right inside the file so you can talk, point, and iterate together without switching apps. For asynchronous feedback, use comments. Click the comment icon or press C. Then click any spot or layer to leave a note tied to that element. Be specific about what you are reacting to, and mention teammates to notify the right people. This keeps context clear and makes it easy for others to respond on their own time. And that's it. Thanks for watching.